Good day, Porter Creek. I want to welcome you to these mini assemblies on behalf of the administrative team. I'm Mr. Giangrande, and also Miss Cross and Miss Dio welcome you. We want to thank you for taking the time to listen in to these mini assemblies today, and also thank your teachers for devoting some of their class time to this today as well. We're doing these mini assemblies by video because of COVID. We want to make sure that we're not bringing large groups of people together during this time. And we wanted to thank you for following the protocols that we have within the school this school year. It's not easy. It's been difficult for all of us to have to live with these things for so long, but we appreciate you following through with all of those things. Just a friendly reminder that the ways to keep yourself safe and keep others are to keep your hands clean, to wear a mask over your mouth and nose, and to get vaccinated when you have the opportunity to do so. There are vaccination appointments open now for youth aged 12 to 17 in the Yukon. So if that's something you're interested in, it's definitely a good option for keeping yourself and other people within the school environment safe. So take advantage of that if you can. We're a few days into second semester now. Second semester is a chance to start over. It's like a fresh start. So no matter how you did, or if you struggled with certain classes in first semester, this is a chance for you to turn over a new leaf, to start new habits, and to make sure that you're successful in the courses that you're enrolled in now. So another part of that is to make sure that you're reaching out for help as you go, that you don't let things pile up so that it's such a big mountain of work or assignments that you need to catch up on. So we encourage you to reach out early to school counselors or to the administrative team, to your teachers and educational assistants to get the help that you need early on so that you can keep on top of work. Although changing courses is done for now, it's never too late to reach out for those supports that you'll need to do well in courses and to make sure that you get through all of the courses that you have for this semester. A huge part of success at Porter Creek and in life is attendance. Decisions are made by those who show up. So attendance is the first barrier to success. If you're here every day and have the attention and ask for help when you need it, those three factors will ensure your success. Of course, during the pandemic, you have to stay home if you have symptoms of any illness, sore throat, cough, anything like that keeps you home. So that's why it's even more important than usual to make sure that you're here every other day. So for sure, you're going to miss some days due to illness, but make sure that you're here on all the other days so that you can engage with your classwork. Another factor is being on time. If you're late for class, you're going to miss those key instructional moments when teachers are presenting material or setting up the day. So most of you are at class on time, and we congratulate you for that. But those of you who are stragglers, please pick it up. We need you to be there on time, and you need to be on time so that you get those gems of instruction right at the beginning and end of classes. Just one other thing about attendance. I said how important it is, but the data show that if you miss more than 10% in a school year, you're 7 times more likely not to finish high school. So that's how important attendance is as a factor. When you're there, pay attention, ask questions as you need it, but make sure that you are there when you can be. At Porter Creek, we believe that all students can learn, and we do whatever we can to help you achieve. There's a big staff team here that surrounds you and is interested in you doing well, passing classes, and being on that path to graduation. So that's what we'll do. We'll help and support you to master challenging material. What you need to do is meet that with hard work, with perseverance. That means that you'll keep trying, and that you'll seek support from people who are here to support you. Obviously, your teachers and EAs, but if you feel like you need support outside of that, that you come and see a counselor or an administrator to try to find a solution for you. Again, as I've already mentioned, please reach out early so we can make those plans to make sure that you don't get super behind. Porter Creek Secondary is your home. This is where you spend a great deal of time. The school is yours, and most of you treat it with care. We encourage all of you to not let anyone make this place anything less than what you deserve. The vast majority of you make good choices, and you almost always think and reflect on the consequences of your actions. I put almost always because almost always means that you'll make mistakes. We won't judge you by those mistakes, but we will judge you by what you choose to do after. So if you make a mess or you happen to break something, let us know. We can work through those things. And if you notice other students doing those things, let us know as well so that we can have those conversations with them and ensure that the school is the kind of facility that you deserve. The administrative team and staff team have been working on some projects to make the school more reflective of what you need. One of those examples is the cultural room. If you just peek your head in there, you'll see all the work that's going on to make sure that that's an inviting environment for students, so that students can hang out in there and get some support that they need through that room as well. When I talked about making mistakes, again, we all do make mistakes. And what we expect from you is that you come in and have a conversation about it, and we can find a way to make things better and improve things. It's almost always going to be conversation first. In the case of physical violence or drugs, drug paraphernalia, and bullying, those are things that we tend to go right to consequence on. So those are things that we don't want to see at school at all. That is the reason why we go directly to consequence, because we want to make sure that people know that those are things that are not tolerated here at all. It's true that the decisions you make during these few years in high school will change your life. We encourage you to make good decisions, but it's never too late to correct your wrongs. You get 5 times in high school before it's real. But we encourage you, again, to stay away from those big 3, we call them: violence, drugs, and bullying, because in those cases, our hands are tied as far as a response. There's automatic consequences. Second semester can be fun because it's an opportunity to try new things, new courses, to look forward to new field trips or new experiences. High school is also like that. There are many transitions where you can find out what your strengths are, what you love doing, what career choices you might have, what schools you might want to attend after graduation, and even what you might want to do with your life. High school is unique because it's an opportunity for you to try many of those things free of charge. To get a taste of different courses and experiences and see if they're a fit for you. We do have a course selection evening coming up this Tuesday, February 8th. That'll be led by Mr. Hale, and he'll go through what you need to do to figure out what your courses are going to be for next school year. After that evening, we'll send home a form that you can complete with your parents. Should be able to complete that online directly into the system and make your selections for next school year. In the Yukon, there's an amazing number of opportunities for hands-on courses and programs, many of them here at Porter Creek. As an admin team, we very much encourage you to think about signing up for some of those programs. Wood Street programs like Chaos and ACES and Experiential Science 11 are great options. Right here at Porter Creek, we have the Fashion Art Design School, a program called Wild, Lead, SACE. We have aesthetics and hairstyling classes, metal and wood. And we also have an amazing band program that we encourage you to participate in. Some courses that we tried this school year and we're hoping to offer again are creative writing, graphic production, and philosophy. So we encourage you to sign up for those. And I'll talk in a minute about work experience program, which is an excellent option as well. There are some videos here that you're going to see. Promo video for Wild and for SACE. Wild is a grade 10 to 12 program. SACE is a grade 9 program. And you'll also see a promo video for LEAD, which has programs throughout the grade levels. So I hope you enjoy those and consider taking them next school year.
I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. And I was running from my brother and his friends, and tasted the sweet perfume of the mountain grass I rolled down. I was younger then, Take me back to when I found my heart, broke it here, made friends and lost them through the years. And I've not seen the boring fields in so long. I know I've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. 15 years old and smoking hand-rolled cigarettes, running from the law through the backfields and getting drunk with my friends. Had my first kiss on a Friday night. I don't reckon that I did it right, but I was younger then. Take me back to when we found weekend jobs, and when we got paid, we'd buy cheap spirits and drink them straight. Me and my friends have not thrown up in so long. Oh, how we've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill.
So right now I've given them a project where they have to use thrift clothing and building supplies material. We went to Builder Supply Land and they got different materials like rope, metal, ratchet straps, like anything you could think of, nuts and bolts. So they had 1 week of sewing only, and now we're actually creating an avant-garde look that we'll show on the runway. We've paired with Rendezvous and we've joined in on their big fashion show. So this is the first time for the majority of them that they actually get some exposure on their creative artwork so that they have the opportunity to showcase themselves and flaunt their creativity.
Yeah, probably
But she should be there for that. But I think that's school activity as well.
There we go.
It's not hard with that. I'm just
nervous but excited.
A little nervous, but at the same time very excited.
I'm really proud of what I've been able to do with my outfit.
I feel pretty solid.
Program for grades 10 to 12 students located at Porter Creek Secondary School.
Thank you, Miss Green!
Builder Series Award that recognizes small indigenous businesses in Southern Alberta. A few months ago, she was chosen as an emerging indigenous fashion designer and opened the 2019
I'm gonna go outside.
Fashion Showcase. And she's the and owner of Dancing Stems Creations.
We hope you enjoyed those clips and that you have some excitement about applying to those programs here at Porter Creek. that run right out of our school. We also have a bunch of specialized classes and options for you to sign up for as you make your course selection. And don't forget those Wood Street programs. Those are great options that run out of Wood Street Center downtown. We'd like to thank you for your attention and for your teachers for giving us all of this class time. And we hope that this semester ends like it started and we all have a fantastic semester. Thanks so much. Have a great day.